Alrighty. Wait, is that on? Where's the zoom at on this? Alright, part 4. Part 4s are never good, you know. Unless you're talking about Star Wars. Then they're really good. The original. A New Hope. IV. That's 4. Yes, that's 4. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garden. This is part 4 of the middle bed rebuild. Is that what I called it? Center bed rebuild? And it'll be in the description. I'm kind of blocking something right now. So I'm going to pull that off of the tripod. We're going to walk around. We're going to see how it's going. Oh, maybe you can see it just from the tripod. Look at this. So I brought these round timbers out and I was going to get it on there and try to roll it. And I tried to pick up the center to put another one under there. And this sideboard just crashed right through the center support that I had. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. So I said if something bad happened I would show you guys, and I'm showing you guys. And if you're here, like, subscribe, share the channel around, because I show it all. The good, the bad, and really freaking ugly. But what I'm still thinking of, getting it over there, I think I have enough wood laying around to replace this side. And this side didn't have the hinges on it or anything, and it does look a little bit better shape than the other side. So I think I have enough pieces where I could piece this side back together. So I'm going to try to still put some timbers under there and roll what I have over, try to get it over to there. I don't know, maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. But I do have to retain the size because of the hoop houses that fit on there. And if that doesn't work, well, I will punt and come up with something else. Look at that. I used an American football reference. I'm not a big American football fan, so that's a big deal to me. So let me see what I can do about sliding that around. Give me a minute. Hey guys, well, tell you what, I've been sitting around and messing around and philosophizing on what to do here. In the end, the one sideboard was the only board that was remotely salvageable, and it's actually in really good shape, which I'm pretty shocked about. I am happy to get this out, and technically these parts in this video is about this bed right here and redoing it and getting a new Vego beds in. The reason why this is still sitting in here it's because it weighs 8,000 pounds. I swear to God, it is so heavy. I don't know if it's sucked up a bunch of water or what, but it is so super heavy I can't get it out of here by myself. At least not right now. Hey, that's why I got the microphone on. Hopefully it cuts that out. So, I'm at a crossroads here. And I'll tell you a couple things I've been thinking of doing as I walk over. I'll show you, I got a couple little green stakes out and stuff like that, and I'll show you what I'm thinking. So things grew pretty good over here in the bags. So got these stakes out, I did a little bit of quick measuring off of those guys and off of these guys. And I was thinking, hey, really into Charles Dowding. I really like his no-dig method. I like the way he does stuff with his compost, and he's not doing a lot of work. I don't even follow it 100%, if you think about it. I have mostly all raised beds. I'm more of a Mark from Self-Sufficient Me and John Sneed from, I can't even remember his channel's name. I'm so sorry, John. But he's from Tasmania. I'll leave all their links down below. I was thinking, I have no in-ground beds. And that's Charles Dowding's bread and butter. The in-ground, no-dig bed. So I thought, well, I marked that off. That'd be a nice bed. It's 3 foot wide. I'm not even sure how long it is. I did have it coming all the way out to the edge, but I thought, oh, I don't know if I do that, if I'm gonna have it come out to the edge. Now looking at it, I probably would, because it will look goofy if it's not out to the edge. I'm not really sure. Do I want to do it there? Do I want to do it closer to the raised beds, my big tall raised beds? Probably want to keep it back here for shadow reasons and sun, because I was going to build these beds different than how I built all my other beds. Now this spot right here, I had always dreamed and hoped of putting a small greenhouse here, because I was going to start laying this out, and then I thought, oh well, let's take a minute, let's take a step back and think. So I don't know if I'm going to do it here, or I'll spin you around over here. I got this bed. I grew some potatoes and some stuff in it. It's not too bad. And I thought, well, maybe I could put the in-ground beds right here. This stuff will all be gone. That's just carryover from cleaning up. More leaves. And I have those, and that's why I wanted to keep the frame. They try to grow in the winter. But I can probably build something that they would mount on and hinge up, or I can just set them on top. What I do is like my seedlings, because I do have some 2x4s and some other pieces of wood, and I still have that piece of wood that I could probably rebuild this whole situation with. But I don't know. I would like to do some in-ground beds just to give it a go, just to see if I could do it. I don't know if this is going to be the spot to do it or not. And honestly, thinking about, greenhouse, that would be probably way in the future, because I don't have the cash flow for that, and I don't really have the time to build one. And if you get like BC greenhouse builders and stuff, I mean, they are super nice, but they are pricey, and honestly, it's just not in the budget right now. See, I'm going to put this out because these are, like I said, this is really a series about that. So maybe we'll change it up to a series about Noah's in-ground bed series. Oh, that sounds great. I'm going to put these out, and if anybody has some comments, please leave them down below. What do you think I should do? Should I do some in-ground beds over here? Or should I do some in-ground beds over there? Or should I just try to rebuild, I guess it would be a remodel with one wall left, and get the hoops back on? I don't know. That's not too bad. I was a little mad that it broke. Not mad, but just like, man. But it's okay. It was kind of, you seen how rotten everything was. I have everything over here. Oh, show you real quick. I have everything over here sitting in the fire pit. Look at how nasty it all just broke apart. There's some of the bigger boards over there. And that bed will end its life with a nice fire in winter or fall, and we'll come out and get warm around it, and everything will be good. But hey, leave me a comment. What do you think I should do? Should I do some in-ground beds? Should I just do them over there? Should I rebuild? I don't know. Like I said, leave me a comment. Well, hey, from the garden, from the moving the wooden bed fail video, this is Noah. Thanks for stopping by.